The Jubilee Party went to the Supreme Court of Kenya today, October 19th, to petition the court for orders to cite NASA principles for contempt of court.
An affidavit signed by the Secretary General of the Jubilee Party, Raphael Tuju, explaining in detail the concerns by the Jubilee Party over the conduct of the NASA team in the aftermath of the Supreme Court ruling that annulled the presidential election.
Through their supporters and governors elected on the ODM party, have actively obstructed IEBC from conducting the elections process in their strongholds of Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay and Migori. These actions are illegal and a violation of the Supreme Court determination on 1st September 2017 and subsequent detailed judgment on 20th September 2017.
The no election call by the NASA team that was preceded by no reforms, no election rallying call, seeming to rub the Jubilee Party the wrong way. The president's party is now seeking legal intervention to nab what they consider a crisis in the bud before things become unmanageable.
Any problems in the process, they were at liberty to go back to the Supreme Court and to canvass that in the courts. They decided to canvass it in the streets. It has not ended up far. They have ended up acting in contravention of the Supreme Court ruling. They are actually in contempt of court.
With lawyers having filed papers in court, the Jubilee Party insists that it will adhere to the rule of law and does not see any reason for postponement of the election.
You have to follow the law. You know, people are saying, oh, you know, the former Prime Minister has withdrawn, so it should trigger a 90-day wait period. How about if this president waits until that 90-day period elapses, the week before he says, no, this election cannot take place, I'm withdrawing.
I address you first as a Kenyan.
Just this Wednesday, Wafula Chebukati asked presidential candidates for a sit-down to iron out issues for all parties to go to the election on the same footing.
We want to respectfully put it to Mr. Chebukati that your role is that of the referee. You are not the mediator. And if you do have any problems carrying out your mandate, as was directed by the Supreme Court, you go back to that institution that ordered you to conduct it and ask them for their guidance.
In his mind, there were pertinent issues that were bogging down the election rerun that needed to be sorted before Kenyans returned to the polls. While Raila Odinga met with Chebukati Thursday, Uhuru Kenyatta does not seem ready for a sit-down anytime soon.
I did not say that we will not meet. I did not say that the president will not meet him. What I said, the president is free to meet any citizen. If the president decides to meet you today, nobody can stop him. But we have to locate the problem to where it should be resolved.
The rerun of the election is expected in 6 days. Leila Mohammed, NTV.